Mm.
So,
All right. All right, guys. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Let's get the ball rolling for another week. We got Columbus Day, but they letting us trade. Thank God. So let's get so basically we had a crazy Friday. Like it SPY moved almost it was $6 positive, but it came off a negative. So it almost had like an $8 move or maybe a little more. So that was a strong move, as you can see the candlestick. So we could see some pop. The only thing that worries me is we got news like government still, they only extended the government for like another, I think, month or so. We didn't get we're not in the clear with the government shutdown, and there's this war thing going on with Israel. So I don't know if SPY might want to get to these levels and then hit rock bottom. So 432 is gonna be a big zone for me to watch tomorrow. Cause if we do get a pop and a hard reject, I'm gonna put 432 on the dot. So okay. But if price action does blow through with power through 432, then we should go to 430. Let me see, what's this right here? 434 almost. These are the levels. Yeah, I think we're gonna be around this level tomorrow, but everything here, this looks a little shaky, but we could get some more push, but it's basically telling me we could reject. That's what I'm trying to say. Like I don't want to get too excited about this pop. I know we had a great pop, but as you can see, it's been in and out of this 200 day on my daily. It's in and out, double dutching. So as fast as we went up, is as quick as we could come down. And if we come pull back, I think we're gonna pull back around this range over here. So I'm gonna put some levels to the downside, of course. So let me see. So if we're gonna drop tomorrow, guys, we could definitely gotta watch. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here because I think that's a good level to watch for shorts. And I'll tell you guys why right now. So boom, we cracked this. We could definitely start filling in some price action around here. And if this decides to rug pull, then we get a heavy drop almost to my what level is this? 426. So that's not bad. From 429 to 426, that's a $3 move. So that's the levels I want to watch on the downside. So those two levels we watching. Let's look at the Qs. Should be very similar because they both had a run. Obviously, the Qs were stronger, so it's probably going to be easier one to short since it ripped so much if it goes down, of course. So we're going to watch 55, all right? 362.55 for puts. And then to long it, let me see how it looks on the daily. Let's look at the daily. Wow, this alert is old. Let me take this off. All right, so daily, I'm gonna wait till we hold above and crack the 50. That's my opinion, right? So I'll give it a little bit more space because it's a wick. We can't get caught up in the wick space. But we're gonna do it around here to watch for longs if it decides to blow through. All right. But Qs look good to probably pop up. It's just, there's a lot of news still lingering in the air. But yeah, Qs look good. But I don't wanna get hit with the reject because this was a big rip. And it came out of nowhere on a Friday on a sell-off day. Crazy. And someone in the chat was saying that we always rip right after this data, and there was data that day. The market pulled down to just rip up. So let's look at the normal, right? Apple. So those two sides we gotta watch on Q. So Apple, right? Let's look at Apple. Apple looks good too to go to the upside. This is gonna be a zone to test above the 50. Probably gonna try to pull back around the 3. Yeah, that's gonna be a reject area for Apple. But Apple looks good in my opinion. So let's look at Microsoft. Everything's bullish. MACD is bullish. RSI. So is this. This is already above the 50. So Microsoft is very strong, guys. I'll watch Microsoft right here. my opinion. 50. Okay, yeah, everything's bullish. Okay. So Apple, Microsoft, Google. Google's about to break macro. Google looks strong. So tech might be another if we do rip through the news and the war news doesn't hit the market in the morning, then these guys should rip tomorrow, in my opinion. So this is gonna break macro soon. So Google should is a good watch tomorrow for the upside. Probably one of the strongest ones that I just spoke about. All right, so Google, Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, right? We always talk about Tesla, and then Meta and Netflix. And, Tesla has a weird daily chart. Holy smokes. It can't get above this area for some reason. So, right, simple entry zone, right? It shouldn't be hard. But that's a weird daily pattern. I don't like it. It's ugly. I don't know if I'll touch Tesla tomorrow. Okay, last one is we said Meta, right? Did we say Meta? Let me see. No, we didn't say Meta. Wow, Meta. Holy smokes. But so Meta is breaking these resistance level, this double top. This is another rejection. So we're gonna wait till we get above those areas to try to get in Meta. So we're gonna put one right here. Nice little level. Everything looks good. Yep. Everything's bullish. Mac and RSI. So Meta looks good. And Netflix, right? Last one. Then I'll get to the names I got. Netflix, bullish engulfing. Actually, Clap was talking about it. I'm talking about Netflix. So Netflix, Clap posted in the chat is nice little bullish. Not perfect. This wick is honestly messing it up. But as we know, these patterns don't gotta be perfect. So I'm gonna take it as a bullish engulfing. So we're trying to get some wick fill price, which is what 395 potential. Yeah, that's not bad from 383. So I think around here is a good area to watch her. Let's watch for the $45 move, potential $45 move on Netflix. And let's talk about what I got. All right. Bitcoin is selling off, man. What the hell? This is what I'm saying. I don't know if this news is gonna hurt the market because Bitcoin is acting up right now. All right, so
Yeah, futures gap down too under a couple important levels.
yep, I saw when they opened it gap down. Yep. All right, so this one looks good. Possible RDR, maybe. I don't know. So I I want to watch it above 62.90 around there to see what happens. Maybe it's gonna visit 63 almost. Dropping to at least the 9 day. I'm just seeing if we go to the 9 day. We got a tint change finally here. And it looks like we double bottoming with a higher pivot. So we could go. Let's see. Finally. And this has been getting decimated, guys. Wow. Like who would hold a short from here and just crazy? I don't know. Maybe one day I would. Let me see. GIS. GIS. What else I got?
All of them look like that, bro. Great minds.
Uh, uh, let's get it.
Amazon, Kellogg's, and Coca-Cola
Yep.
Yep.
in that
Yep.
area.
Yep, they do. So Lulu looks fire, double bottom, right? We held the 200, nice candle to hold it with strength. I like the strength on that hold. Here is bouncy. Sorry. Yeah, you guys can see the MACD. I'm not gonna zoom in. So I like Lulu to the upside. I think we gotta watch it around here. If it don't get up there, then I don't think it could go higher. So I'm gonna put 20. Give me an even number, 371.20 on Lulu. This is super buy zone, by the way. As you know, 1, 2, it ripped through here. And this will be like fourth bounce, third or fourth bounce. Actually here too, look. So watch Lulu. Bullish. Next on the list. HD. HD looks good. I don't know why HD's getting beat up so bad. But we got this is definitely a bullish engulfer right here. So as soon as it cracks some space, we gotta ride it to the 9, the calls. Ride it to the 9 and I wouldn't hold it. I'll just clip the TP, but this looks like they're about to kiss. Oh no, double bottom it. This is I think a buy zone too. So HD right here likes to bounce. It bounced here one time on HD. It got the rip, pull back, go. What else? Did it bounce another? It bounced again over here. Anytime up, or over here too, 2 times. All right, so yeah, this is not a bad buy area on the daily. So HD, another one that was beaten up too. Potential laggers. Let's see, Walmart, man. Walmart. Wow. They got clobbered on Friday, right? But look how that wick happened. That's the thing that caught my attention. Why did this wick form on Friday? So that wick held this buy zone. So trying to see if it reverses. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Because this level is strong for a reason. Because look, all the buys that come in on that area. So I'm trying to see if we could get in on the reversal. So, oops, sorry, that was wrong. So I'm going to watch, what the hell? I'm going to watch Walmart. Oh, I'm going to watch Walmart right here. I'll say for a bounce to see if it's real. I'm gonna put I'm gonna bounce around here. See if it wants to bounce back to where it broke out of. Because that will be like my higher low double bottom entry. So I'm just trying to like predict that if I'm right. So try to get the 155 calls right because Friday the 155 calls survived. So never know. All right, so Walmart, go back to daily. Philip Morris. I played, oh, excuse me. I play Altria, so I was checking out Philip Morris because I played Altria and it actually worked out. Even though it worked out better, better on my initial entry, I survived the next day. It went back in the money, but Philip Morris looks good. We got a double bottom here. This is already colliding, so that's good. So I'm watching that level that I got, the yellow marker 92.65 area to see if we can rip higher on PM. Let's see what else we got. As I told you guys at the beginning of Zoom, the war still, just hit us, and I was just thinking about LMT and RTX. So those are definitely on watch this week because of that. So I have 405.20 area. So basically the 9. Once it ripped the 9, then it should go up. So it looks good. Everything looks good. We got triple bounce on the R side. 1, 2, 3. And 10 change. So we look okay. And RTX, I said. So RTX. This one is already crossing RSI, so that's good. Watch the 70-60 area for 71 calls. So everything looks good on RTX in my opinion. For a nice reversal. UPS. High low, double bottom. This is first, this is second leg. Strong double bottom from RSI. It's a nice little gap space. So showing a lot of resistance towards the downside. It wants to reverse up, so we looking good. This looks good too. Increase on the MAC. So we should go up a little. Watch 155. I got that yellow one, that 155.95 area to watch for upside on UPS. See what happens. Jacob Solutions. Damn, we've been talking about this one. This thing put in the stick on Friday. So breaking a macro, guys. All right, so this one above 138.5. 138.5, I think should go to 140. Everything's bullish and we still positive. So that's good. Believe there's an upgrade price too. I mean, they got hit with an upgrade not too long ago. Mm. Next, Gilead. Oops. Gilead Science. Let's see why this one looked good. Okay, so we got a couple green days, but it wasn't strong. It kind of just inside trading when the bulls are still in. Looks like a little flag it wants to do. Yeah, I like this one to the upside. So we're gonna watch Gilead above 75.20. All right. So watch Gilead above 75.20. The alerts is gonna be set for whoever's new here. I know I got some new members. So the okay, so another health one is Sava. Sava did good last week, man. We was on Sava. We was talking about Sava on this stick, yeah, on this day before it probably ripped through. Pulled back a little, but continue. Now it's flagging. It looks like it wants to continue up. That's why I'm like, we're gonna watch it again this week. Everything's saying it wants to try to dig up some more upside. So let's see if it wants to go above 19. Watch 19.45. So this line right here is going to be adjusted tomorrow in the alert room. I'm going to put 1945. So we could try to get 19.5s, maybe 20s. All depends on price action, of course. So what else we got? We got that one. This is a big account one, Cigna. Cigna Health. All right. We got a nice little trend line crack about to happen. Excuse me, sorry. This looks ready to go. Yeah, we stay here, we good. As long as we stay on that side of the field, there's no positive MACD. So we combine. This is potential bounce to break up at least to 290 for sure. Sigma should go at least to 290 for sure this week. That's a big account play. So I'm gonna put the sorry, forgot to put the alert right here. No, I want to get in before that. Hold on. Yeah, 289.60 before 290 is right. Candle will build here. Might be. I'll watch 289 as well. That'll be a sneaky entry, but this will should definitely push to 290. Then from there, it could go at least to right here, which is 291.45, and then highs of these candles. Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly. And 3 days. All right. And we had this charted. Oh man, I'm sick. This was there already from when we spoke about it. Wow. Yeah, it could have another green day because it's been ripping up. So we gotta watch this area right here. Only way it could rip higher is gotta break 570, 330. Yeah. So this will be my alert area. I mean, here will be a good sneaky entry and then get out around 570. So I'm gonna put an alert here just to see the type of price action is gonna be having by the time it gets here to see if we do get in before it gets there. But yeah, man, we missed this one for sure. Oh, yeah, for E. Let's see what Pfizer. Yeah. Downside, this looks heavy. Yep, Pfizer looks like it's gonna flush. 33 puts. I'm gonna watch it right here. Try to get 33 puts. Goes there, it's definitely gonna go at least 32.5 possibly. Pfizer, I think that's it. That's, I like arm. No, I don't think I like arm. Yeah. We'll see arm holding. Oh yeah, yeah. Arm looks fire, guys. Watch arm this week. Double bottom again. Oh, there's a trend line right there. Create it for you guys. So double bottom, 1, 2, a lot of space on arm. So I'll put a little alert here. 55. Yep, 55 calls. It definitely go to 55. It was definitely there a few times last week and then the week prior. So, all right. Any tickers y'all want me to talk about? I'm more than happy to.
You got
You
DraftKings?
you nailed it, bro.
Nice, man.
Thank you, bro. DraftKings.
Yeah. Vegas looks interesting in general.
Oh, DraftKings is fire. Good eye. Now, Mirius. Yes,
Great
sir. I
eye.
like it. I like it a lot. All right. We got a nice little trend line breakout from the upside. I see it already. I don't even gotta draw it, but I'll
Yeah.
draw it. And we got a nice little buy area going on right here. Everything looks good, man. I like these levels is holding. All right, so those are the buy areas. They holding. Yeah, bro. So I don't know where you're going in, but I'll watch it around here.
Yeah. I was looking for that break.
Uh,
Three.
okay, I'll give it some wiggle room. I'll put 10, 30, 10.
Cool.
But yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Might flag
fine.
out of this thing.
That's 10 now that we talking about draft.
The lagger.
Yep.
They hate this one, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, actually,
There
speaking
you
of
go.
haters, UPS too, bro. Sorry about that.
What happened? So,
I was thinking about haters, bro. They hate freaking Penn, man.
yep.
They love DraftKings, but they hate Penn, man. It's
Mhm.
crazy. They beat this fucker down.
Might be a
I
lag.
was thinking about laggers, UPS too.
Mm,
I think it's always lagging.
yeah, I'll put it on there just to see we won't miss it. Yeah, yeah, we got UPS in that list, so we're gonna catch up. We
Yeah.
got all right. All right. So we got a few names, but let's see. Hopefully,
Costco too, bro. That's the last one. Sorry, it
hopefully
was just
the
like Walmart.
yeah, hopefully we don't get hit with this negative news. Yeah, just like Walmart. Wow, with this war, if we do, you guys know, then the market's just gonna react negative towards it. So just switch hats and be bearish. Yeah, Costco's just like Walmart. That's crazy. So
How's
stick
that
with
trend line?
first.
How's that moving average?
Yeah, so watch Costco. If I was to do like a Walmart, I'm watching Costco right here in these levels to see if we could bounce around here, which is resistance
Gotcha.
bounce, and that's a pivot build over here off the. I don't think it's gonna go this low under VWAP, but I do
hmm
expect it to bounce around here, Costco. But let's see what happens, bro. But yeah, definitely like Walmart. Good eye. Definitely like Walmart. That was crazy.
Thank you, Rusty.
Crazy. All right, gang. I don't know if y'all gonna be on futures trading, but I'll hop on.
Yeah, I'll be on.
All right.
Thanks for everything.
Alright, we live tomorrow, man. See y'all then.
Yes, sir. See you soon.
Alright,
Yeah,
man.
thanks, Cam. Appreciate it.
Welcome, bro.